Good morning, class. Today I want to talk through a couple of the plays that we did yesterday in the game. So the team alternated between a 1-3-1 half-court trap, which they called 31, and and zone, which they called 23, 2-3 zone. Okay, so first I want to show you, first couple possessions they were in a 1-3-1. We've talked about that you always want to have a 2-1-2 against that. Okay, so again, you always want to have these two players ready. What they're going to do, if this person here has the ball, they're going to send these two players here. So assuming this person is still there, you have that person there for support. The best play is to try to get the ball down to here, and then you have kind of a 3-on-2 to the basket. We did a really good job getting in here, but just understand that a lot of times there is someone behind this high post person, so whoever this is needs to come to the ball, not wait for the ball to come to them. Okay, so that was okay for us, and then they switched to a 2-3 zone. One thing you want to realize yesterday is that we did a very good job moving the ball. There were one possession where we had 25 passes, which is just amazing. Okay, so we really got the ball in and out. What we don't want to tend to do is do this pass across a zone. Either way, that's a really hard one. So we want to go here and then here. Another thing that was sort of interesting about yesterday's game is that we had a player behind their 3 in the 2-3, and she was actually open a lot. Okay, so that could be a pass if you can ever throw it from here to here. Okay, that's an option. But we did a really good job getting the ball in, and then the high post did a great job of getting the ball, setting themselves, and then getting the ball out. What you want to remember is that if they're in a zone, they're not boxing anyone out. So when the shot goes up from here, this person can get the rebound, this person, no one's blocking them out. So that's a really good opportunity for them. Okay? And then the last one is if we go numbers, and I call out, let's say, 12, okay? That means the 2, the second of these two numbers, is going to set a pick for 1. So 2 would come over, set a pick, and then 1 would go with the ball this way. Okay, so that would be a good option for us. If we go with 24, 4 comes up and sets a pick, and what I want to have happen is I want 2 to go to the basket. We also talked about then 4 can roll to the basket, but this is set up for 4 to set a strong pick and then 2 to go to the hoop. Now, same thing goes on the other side, where if we can get 13 or 35, those are good options for us. In our next game, we might run a 45, okay, which means 4 is going to come get the ball, and then 5 will set a pick, and then 4 will go to the hoop. Same thing with 54, ball goes to the 5 first, and then 4 sets a pick for 5. Okay, so if we go numbers, I'm just going to start calling out these 2-digit numbers. The first one gets the ball, the second one sets the pick. Okay, if we ever go to ice, that means you get the ball here, and 4 creeps over here. Oops, sorry, 5's still over here. 4 creeps over here, hopefully drags their person over, and then 2 can go to the hoop. And the same thing, you can go 3 ice, you can go 1 ice. I could see us doing that. We sort of spread the floor out, and 1 can just go to the hoop. Okay, have a great day. Enjoy the snow.